Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, a warm welcome to you. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking with me. Today's recipe is this flavorful, quick and easy one-pot patty jollof rice. Full list of ingredients is in the description bar below, and I also included it in the video as each ingredient is used. So without much ado, let's get started. I start off by blending the tomatoes, peppers, onion, garlic, and ginger until smooth. Then I set aside. So moving on, I fry some onions until fragrant. Then I add the tinned tomato paste and also fry until it loses its tangy taste. This takes about 15 minutes more or less. After 15 minutes, I add my blended mix and fry on low heat for 30 minutes. Remember, you can boil down the blended mix in another pot before adding it to the tomato paste. Both methods works just fine. Now it's time for some spices. Today I'm going to be using thyme, curry, black pepper, smoked paprika for some smoky taste and color, but feel free to add or remove from the list. I'll also be adding chicken seasoning cubes and of course bay leaves. No authentic patty jollof rice is complete without tomato paste and bay leaves. There's this aroma that it gives that screams party, party, party. Now we'll taste for salt and seasoning and add as needed. Then simmer on low heat for 10 minutes. Don't forget to stir constantly to prevent it from burning. So while the stew is simmering, I'll go ahead and rinse the rice. For this patty jollof rice, I'm using about 2 kilos of medium grain rice, but long grain rice like basmati is also perfect for this jollof rice. I'm rinsing the rice repeatedly in warm water until the water runs clear. But if you'd rather parboil your rice before use, feel free to do that. Today, we are all about fast and easy, so no parboiling. Before adding the rice to the stew, I like to scoop out about 1 cup of the stew to use later at the end, but this is totally a matter of choice and not necessary at all. After adding the rice, I gradually add some of the rich chicken stock. I heated up the chicken stock before use to cut down the boiling process. You can also boil up the stock in the stew and then add the rice after. Both ways works perfect too. So now we'll set the rice to a quick boil and then reduce to medium heat and cover with a tin foil. This will help us trap the steam and help to cook the rice faster. After about 30 minutes, we'll check the rice. Depending on the type of rice you're using, you might need to add more stock or hot water if the rice is still hard. When the rice is tender and the liquid is almost dried up, you can add that remaining stew to the top of the rice. Cover and simmer until the liquid is all dried up. If you didn't set out any stew, then you can skip this step. So now that the liquid is all dried up, I like to add about 3 tablespoonfuls of room temperature butter or margarine for that extra boost of flavor. This is one step that looks so ordinary, but it can take your jollof rice to a different level, believe me. Finally, for nice presentation, I like to garnish with tomato and onion slices, and this petty jollof rice is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please click the like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe and also click on that bell sign. That way you don't miss my new videos. See you in the next video. Stay blessed. Bye.